Baltimore, Maryland, in a random parking lot to check out a food truck that's serving up. Wait a second, don't get ahead of me. No. I don't want to hear, oh, you're going to try some crab cakes. Oh, you're probably going to try some steamed crab or something with Old Bay. No, it's not what you'd expect. I'm here to check out a funky little food truck that's serving up some real deal barbecue. This is the Smoking Swine.
Smoking Swine is a fantastic food truck.
I wouldn't go anywhere else for barbecue in Baltimore.
Lone Star brisket for Harley.
Slow cooked for hours, smoke fills the whole truck and it smells delicious.
There's nothing like it.
And there's no one quite like owner Drew Pumphrey, who found his passion in a present.
My parents actually got me a smoker as a Christmas gift, and everything that I put in it just worked really well, and I just kind of took to it naturally.
Then, when his catering and barbecue party started blowing up, he moved to a full-on food truck in 2012. So this is your pork emporium, your pork palace, enclosed pork patio.
The house that pork built.
The license plate on this thing says pork box.
East Carolina for John.
The East Carolina pulled pork sandwich is fantastic.
It's tender, the coleslaw complements it very well. Always put a little bit of the sweet sauce on it. It's perfect.
All right, dry rub it, baby.
Cool. We use a little dark brown sugar, chili powder, paprika, kosher salt, and some butcher grind black pepper. Mix it up by hand.
Onto the pork butts, and what kind of butts are we using?
I like to use a boneless shoulder or a boneless butt. Yeah.
Really?
I go boneless. Why pay for something you're not using?
He's bigger than me, so of course I agree with him. Okay, so dry rub.
And it goes right into the smoker.
What are we smoking with?
And for these, we're using peachwood.
Peachwood.
It gives it a flavor profile I think that nobody else, at least around here, really can compare with. But I just wanted to be a little different.
I think you're a little different regardless if you're using peach or not.
That's what my doctor told me.
How long are we gonna go at what temp?
225 for 12 hours. We're gonna grab our pork shoulder. This has been smoking for 12 hours. I throw a little bit of the Carolina sauce into the bun, a little bit of saturation in there, then give a good pull, try to get all the different muscle groups.
Holy bark, Batman.
Give it a little shake. Throw a little slaw on top. Add our locally sourced pickles. So yeah, there's our
And this is how you do
Carolina
it.
sandwich. Yeah, man. Let me give you a little room.
Get a little bit of burn end on the edges. You get some smoke ring. The flavor goes through it. The sauce is tangy, just enough to go to kick. It's got his own touch to it, and it's delicious.
I've been to a lot of food trucks in Baltimore, and this is my favorite one.